Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Ignition Lock Housing. This ignition lock housing works on various Ford, Mazda, and Mercury vehicles from 2008 to 2011, including the Ford Focus, when equipped with an automatic transmission, Ford Escape, Mazda Tribute, and Mercury Mariner. What the ignition lock housing does is it protects your ignition lock cylinder, which goes in here, and is where obviously you put your key to start your vehicle. This housing makes sure your ignition is as secure as possible from someone attempting to tamper or start your vehicle without the key. Traditionally, someone may need to replace their previous ignition lock housing if they're having issues with the ignition itself, such as you cannot unlock your ignition and start your vehicle, or your steering column is not rotating freely. Additionally, these can be damaged by someone either trying to break the ignition or if you happen to be in an accident. While this replacement ignition lock housing is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement. However, this has been improved with more robust construction throughout, including the high quality plastic and aluminum material, along with new shear bolts for installation. Installation of this lock housing can be a bit difficult and will need some specific tools. However, locating it is easy as it's right next to the steering wheel where you insert your key. If you have any questions about this replacement ignition lock housing, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.